In today's video, I'll show you guys how to reduce unnecessary Windows processes to get more FPS, lower input lag, and better game performance. Right now, I have 132 processes running. To reduce this, go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Expand the key local machine, expand system, expand current control set, select control. On right side, you can able to see SVC host split threshold in KB. Just double click and now open task manager and go to performance and select memory. In my case, I have 8 GB RAM. Check my video description for this value. Depends on the RAM you have. You need to copy the value, paste it in leave data and select OK. Close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open task manager and go to performance and go to CPU. As you can see, I have 97 processes running, 97 to 98, 96. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.